This is Tuck with Tuck GC, and today we are looking at a brick walkway in Fairfax, Virginia we just cleaned up. This is a really nice job for us and we're happy to have it. The walkway was in pretty bad shape before. It was an exposed aggregate that was cracked and sunk down in some places and was actually kind of even hard to walk on, but we came through and put in this beautiful walkway. Let's take a closer look. So as you see, leading to the front porch has a very nice shape to it. Now this has 4 inches of gravel below it, 4 inches of concrete, and then the brick base. And midway through the project, we actually convinced the homeowner to replace the brick on the stoop as well. It's just hard to match this brick, and it got us a better match by switching it out, and now all the horizontal bricks on the property match. The old railings were left in place. We just basically remounted them and bored them in this morning. They'll probably need a paint job in the spring, but we're not going to address that now. And here's what it kind of looks like from the side, and leading back to the driveway. Really came out nice. Let's take a look around back at the wall we did. So the wall around back is constructed well, just like the front. It has a footing system, a concrete block wall filled with concrete, and then a drainage system behind it, and then it's veneered with the brick. I'm going to try to work my way down here behind the bush a little bit. Try to give you a look the whole way around. You'll see what we put together here. So as you see, it really came out nice. Any sort of brickwork, masonry work, stonework, anything like this you might have, please give us a call. This customer was extremely happy and is about ready to sign a contract for the patio you see over there for the springtime. So we're really excited to have a return client that was happy with the work. And this is what you get when you work with us. Beautiful, high quality construction. So I hope you like what you see, and you will give us a call to bid on your masonry project that you have. Again, this is Tuck. Thanks for watching. Please enjoy your day and think about us in the future on your project. Have a good day.